This video covers the parts identification of ADA-compliant wheelchair ramps and riser systems that Complete Access offers. The 6-pocket platform is identified by the male extrusion on the front. It has 4 outside leg pockets, as well as 2 inner support post pockets. The 6-pocket platform is used as the main landing of the ramp. The 4-pocket platform has no outer extrusions. It is fabricated with attachment holes on all 4 sides. It has 4 outside leg pockets. The platform is used primarily for decking. It allows you to attach any platform you require to any of its 4 sides. The intermediate turn platform has 4 outside leg pockets with 2 inner support post pockets. On the front of the platform, there is a male extrusion with 2 female extrusions to the left and right of the male. The platform is used to turn the ramp in either the left or right direction depending on your layout. The 18-inch ADA platform comes in a variety of configurations. It can be ordered as an ADA ramp platform, an ADA step platform, or an ADA 4-pocket platform. The 18-inch platform is used where a full-size platform is not needed or space might be limited. It attaches to any of our standard size platforms. The switchback platform has a female extrusion on one side and 4 leg pockets. The platform can be used with a 6-pocket ramp platform to change the direction the ramp system lays. The stair platform is made to use in conjunction with an ADA step riser. It has 2 female extrusions, an upper and lower position for maximum adjustability of the step. It has 4 outside leg pockets and 2 inner support post pockets. The stair platform can be standalone or used with an ADA ramp system. ADA ramp sections have a female extrusion on the back and a male extrusion on the front. They have 2 outside ramp section leg pockets that are pitched to the slope of the ramp. The sections are made to hook together in multiples to achieve the threshold height for your application. The ramp wedge has a female extrusion on the back as well as 2 swivel legs on the sides. It is positioned at the very front of the ramp where it meets the ground. The intermediate ramp platform has a female extrusion on the back and a male extrusion on the front like a regular ramp section. However, the pockets of the intermediate are not pitched. The intermediate is to be used as a level rest point in the middle of your ramp. The intermediate platform does not change the width profile of the ramp it is installed to. The ADA step riser is to be used with an ADA step platform. The risers come in a variety of sizes ranging from 2 to 7 steps. Platform legs are left and right specific and are easily identified by their offset foot pads. They come in either 53 inches or 38 inches length depending on the height of your ramp or configuration. Left platform leg should have a middle bolt and a top bolt. If the middle bolt of the leg is facing up, then the top bolt should be facing down. The right platform leg should also have a middle and top bolt. If the middle bolt is facing up, the top bolt should be facing to the right. Ramp section legs are identified by their center foot pad. They are built with the middle and top bolt. If the middle bolt is facing up, the top bolt should be facing down. Ramp section legs typically come in 5 different sizes. Ramp section legs for applications higher than 30 inches come in increments of 5 inches added to the length of the leg per ramp section. The 36-inch inner support posts are built to support the inner handrails at the top of the ramp system. The support posts are left and right specific. The 2 top bolts of the leg should face one another, while the 2 bottom bolts should face upward. Flush mount platform legs are identified by their offset foot pad. They are built so that the upper part of the leg does not protrude past the walking surface of the platform. They can be used in decking where the closest part of the platform to the structure does not require a guardrail. They come in 2 different sizes, 23.5 or 9.5 inches. The 44-inch cover post is a cosmetic cover that hides the upper part of the legs. Platform picket rails contain a bolt hole at the back of the post and a bolt hole in the angle post of the rail facing 90 degrees apart. Every platform in the ramp system should utilize 2 of the platform picket guards. Ramp section picket guards are right and left specific. These picket guards are pitched to the slope of the ramp. They are 60 inches long overall. When installed, the post holes will all face inward on both the left and the right picket guard. Ramp wedge picket guards are also right and left specific. When installed, both the left and right picket guard bolt holes will face inward. Ramp wedge picket guards are 40 inches long and have a notch at the bottom of the square post to accommodate the swivel legs on the wedge. The riser picket guards are step size specific and range from 2 to 7 step configurations. These picket guards are left and right specific with all bolt holes facing inward. These guards have 2 hole positions on the upper angle post to accommodate the upper and lower position the riser can be installed. The wedge long loop inner rails have a long loop on the lower end that extends 12 inches on level past the tip of the wedge. Inner rails are left and right specific. This rail has 2 attachment brackets that secure the rail to the tops of the legs through the picket guards. They also have a swedge on the uphill end to connect to the next rail. Ramp section inner handrails are also left and right specific. The rails are swedged on the uphill end to interlock to the next rail, and have 1 bracket to support them to the tops of the legs through the picket guards. They are made of a straight piece of tube with no bends. The short loop inner rails are left and right specific, and they have a much smaller loop. The short loop rails are used at the top of each run of the ramp system. The loop extends 12 inches on level past the slope part of the ramp on the upper end of the rail. They have a single bracket to attach to the support post and no swedge at the end opposite the loop. The short loop switchback rails are right and left specific as well. They have a small loop on the lower end that extends 12 inches before the run of the ramp. The switchback rail has 2 brackets to secure it to the tops of the legs, as well as a swedge on the upper end to connect to the next rail. This rail is used on the outside bottom of a ramp run leading to a switchback. The intermediate platform inner rail is made to be used in conjunction with the intermediate platform. Just like other inner rails, these inner rails are left and right specific. They contain an upward bend and a swedge on the uphill side and a downward bend on the other side. They have 1 bracket to secure them to the top of the leg through the picket guard. The 180-degree switchback rails are made to be used in conjunction with the switchback platform. They are made to transition the inner handrails around the full inner corner of a ramp switchback. Only one rail will be used at a time depending on the layout of the ramp. Both rails are provided to give the option to turn in either direction. The 90-degree intermediate handrails are made to be used in conjunction with the intermediate turn platform. The rails transition the inner handrails in either the left or right configuration around the full inner corner of the curve. They contain a single bracket for attachment on the uphill side as well as a swedge to attach the following rail. Only one of these rails will be used at a time depending on the layout of the ramp. Both rails are provided with the switchback kit to give the option to turn in either direction. The ADA riser inner rails are to be used with the ADA step riser kit. These rails feature a continuous upper and lower hand position, with the upper and lower loops extending 12 inches past the front of the step and over the platform. The rails have two brackets. The upper bracket contains two hole positions to accommodate the upper and lower positions of the step platform. These rails are riser specific and also left and right specific. They can only be used with the matching step ranging from 2 to 7 step configurations.